Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best business types for Stripe capital eligibility. Now, based on my experience running a business that processes payments through Stripe, the key thing to understand is that Stripe Capital doesn't primarily care about your type of business, like whether you're a SaaS, an e-commerce store, or a digital service provider, as much as it cares about your performance and processing history on the platform itself. If you're asking about the best types, I've seen that businesses with consistent, high-volume recurring revenue tend to be top candidates. This is because the financing model is basically a merchant cash advance, where repayment is a percentage of your future daily sales processed through Stripe. Think about it. E-commerce stores with steady sales. If you're selling physical products online and have predictable sales, especially during off-peak seasons, Stripe sees it as a low-risk, steady repayment stream. Subscription-based services. SaaS, this is gold. My own service, with its monthly or annual recurring billing, shows Stripe a highly predictable revenue curve. That consistency makes their underwriting model very comfortable. Marketplaces or platforms. Businesses using Stripe Connect, like my friend who runs a small booking platform, also get looked at favorably. Stripe can evaluate the entire ecosystem's health. The type of business matters less than the health of the business on their platform. I learned the hard way that you need to nail these metrics, no matter your industry. Processing history. You need at least 3 to 6 months of solid transaction history on Stripe. The longer and steadier, the better. Consistent volume. A minimum processing volume is required, and ideally, your monthly volume should be stable or growing. Big dips raise red flags. Low dispute rate. This is huge. If you have a low chargeback and dispute rate, it signals a healthy, trustworthy business with satisfied customers. So, while any business that uses Stripe for payments can be eligible, a business that leverages recurring revenue or predictable, high transaction volume, like e-commerce and SaaS, will inherently have a profile that screams low risk and reliable to Stripe Capital's automated system. Focus on that consistency and a positive transaction history, and the offer will likely show up right in your dashboard. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.